Welcome guys. So today we solve the simple problem 45. So the experimental manual car has to be found the efficiency E of V in miles per gallon. So E of V is miles per gallon. And V is the speed, miles per hour. So basically asking about how many gallon. So remember, we are asking about how many gallon. So gallon should be in the numerator. So when you use nu divided by E of V, you get you'll see the miles cancelled, and this is the gallon per hour. So how many gallon we use basically is integral of the E of V dt, because this is the hour. So we need to times some tiny units, and from 0 to 4. So due to the unit analysis, we can easily see the answer should be A. So there's nothing special here, right? All we need is just the simple unit analysis. And then once you understand the question, you understand the logic, you understand the question, and the rest is just simple. It's trivial. So the answer is A.